What are the best waste disposal systems for space habitats? Imagine living in a place where every bit of waste you produce needs to be managed carefully, like a tiny planet of its own. That's what space habitats are all about. Managing waste in space is a big challenge because resupplying from Earth is costly and limited. So, scientists have developed several systems to handle waste efficiently and keep habitats safe and sustainable. One of the most promising methods is called closed-loop life support systems. These systems recycle almost everything. Wastewater is cleaned and reused, organic waste is turned into fertilizer for plants, and gases like methane from human waste can be used as fuel. This approach makes habitats more self-sufficient, reducing the need for frequent resupply missions. It's like creating a mini Earth inside the spacecraft or station. Another effective system is trash compaction and processing. Solid waste is squished into dense tiles that are easier to store and handle. Heating and compressing waste kills germs and reduces volume by over 75%. Water from the waste can be recovered and fed back into the water system, with recovery rates over 98%. These compacted waste tiles can also serve as radiation shielding, adding extra protection for crew members. Biological methods like anaerobic digestion are also used. Bacteria break down organic waste in oxygen-free environments, producing biogas mainly made of methane. This biogas can be used as fuel, helping to power the habitat. It also reduces waste volume and creates useful byproducts. However, this process needs careful control and takes longer than mechanical methods. High-temperature waste reactors are another option. These reactors heat waste at very high temperatures, breaking it down into water, oxygen, and gases. This process sterilizes waste and shrinks its size, making it safer and easier to handle. The gases produced can be reused or vented, making this method efficient for resource management. Bioregenerative systems mimic Earth's ecosystems. They use plants and microorganisms to recycle waste into food, water, and breathable air. This method aims to minimize resupply needs by continuously regenerating essential life support elements. It's especially useful for large space settlements or long missions where sustainability is key. Sometimes, waste is stored or buried on planetary surfaces as a short-term solution. While this requires less energy, it's not sustainable for closed habitats because it can cause environmental issues. Most current and future space habitats combine these methods. For example, compacting solid waste while biologically processing organic matter makes the best use of limited space and resources. NASA's trash compaction and processing system shows how integrating mechanical and recycling tech can support long missions by reducing waste volume and recovering water. In the end, the best waste disposal systems in space are those that recycle, process, and store waste efficiently. They use a mix of mechanical, biological, and thermal methods to keep habitats safe, sustainable, and healthy for crews on long journeys or permanent settlements.